Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Curly Girl Faith, and we're back at it again with another video. So I just have leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I'll be doing a wash and go with color, and I'll let you guys know all the details. But before we get into this video, please do a couple things for your girl. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I post once a week and you don't want to miss out. Now let's get into this video. So in today's video, I will not only be doing a wash and go, because that's kind of boring. Let's spice things up a little bit. I'll be adding color, okay? The color that I'll be using in today's video is from the brand As I Am. This is their curl color in hot red. It is a temporary color, so you don't have to worry about me damaging my hair, because it ain't happening. I will not be dyeing my hair. Been there, done that, ain't going back, okay? So the leave-in conditioner that I used in my hair today is the Miche Lavish leave-in conditioner. I love this leave-in conditioner if you don't know that already. It smells like candy and it really moisturizes my hair. I deep conditioned with the Miche Strength Protein Moisture Balance Deep Conditioner because I felt my hair, you know, needed a little more strength than, you know, moisture this wash day. So I'm scared to be using this color, but we're just gonna go ahead and look at the directions to see if I want to follow them or not. So it says color and curl your coils with 6 vibrant shades. So I'm pretty sure they have all these different shades. I know I've seen like purple, gray, this gold color, but you know, I grabbed this one. So it says before applying, it is important to cleanse your hair or co-wash. Spray this right here, this is their Jamaican Black Castor Oil water in your hair liberally. Apply the As I Am leave-in conditioner. I have that, but I didn't feel like using that. Towel dry, leave your hair damp, and use gloves to apply color. So I don't have any gloves, but I want to try this today, so I'm gonna just, oh well. If it happens, it happens. They warned me, so I ain't gonna be mad. So for the directions, it says section off your hair and apply to damp hair from root to tip. Use a generous amount based on thickness of hair. Twist or rake through your hair as desired. Great for twist outs, coils, wash and goes, and rod sets. So I'm ready to just try this bad boy out. I'm just so excited. It's my first time opening it. I had got this product from Target. They had a buy one get one 50% off, and I got the blue one. So if you guys would like to see that on my hair, let me know. It smells good. It smells like their other products, if you want me to be honest with you. This is what she is looking like, red hot. I'm scared, but I want to try something new. I'm not sure if I want to do like a ombre-ish type of wash and go with the color, or just go full red. Like, I don't know. Like, I really want to go full red because I'm just wild like that, and because why not? But a part of me is like, girl, don't do it. I'm gonna start off at the roots because that's just how things go. You start off at the roots and work your way up, and then I'm gonna see how it looks. So hopefully this doesn't stain my hands that bad, but I'll update you guys when my hair is dry. So I just have the famous Wetline Extreme period poo. Like, this is that girl, okay? You feel me? I love this gel. So this is what my hair is looking like with just leave-in conditioner in. Very, very moisturized. I am scared. Ooh. Oh wow, this is very vibrant. Ooh, Lord, please. And I looked at other videos because I had to. I'm a little late in the game anyway, so I was like, might as well look at people reactions. They say it do stain your hands, so I already know what the deal is. It says it does transfer, so best believe I ain't wearing white at all. I will most definitely be putting up photos on Instagram, because you know I gotta do it for the one time, you feel me? I am going to pop out on Instagram and the girls is gonna go, wow, you feel me? My girlfriends are going to be like, what? Oh my god! Wow! And I'm gonna be like, yeah sis, got a video out coming soon, you feel me? Every time I do something wild or different, I gotta make sure I record it, because everybody's gonna be asking like, where the video at, sis? I got y'all. So far so good. Everything is looking good. It smells decent. Like, you don't have like a stink wax smell. I don't know if other waxes have a stink smell, but I know the Curlsmith one that I tried, that one didn't have a stink smell, but that one did flake. And they said this one flaked too, so I already know what I'm in for. I'm not really scared of anything. And that's why I really like these hair wax, hair paint things, because like for natural girls that don't want to go ahead and damage their freaking hair with bleaching it and dyeing it multiple times, we could go ahead and have fun with this hair wax and then rinse this bad boy out at the end of the week. My photos better turn out bomb, okay? The stuff I do for y'all. Somebody have been asking you to use this and try it out, but you know, I had to get it when it was on sale because I'm kind of cheap. And for Black Friday, I kind of went a little wild, so you know, I had to wait out on these color wax thingies. This is basically like just a regular old wash and go. My routine is the same. I'm just raking this through. When I seen this on Kimberly Sherrill's hair, I almost screamed because her hair was so bomb. I think she had did a perm rod set. Girl, I was like, I need to get that. I need it. Like, I had seen it when it came out on the Instagram page, on As I Am Instagram page, but when I seen her hair, I was like, yep, I need it. I need it now. They do recommend that you use the rest of the As I Am collection, but honestly, girl, y'all can use whatever the hell y'all want. I think that's just a way for them to get you to buy their stuff. Because this feels good, looks good. It's bomb. So you guys, I'm just doing a whole wash and go process. If you don't know what that looks like, you can check out my other wash and go videos. I'm gonna come back. So far, so good. Like, y'all, ooh, red. I'm gonna be a redhead. This is wild. But I'm gonna be back, and maybe I'll show you guys the front of my hair, how everything is looking, and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about how I feel. So see y'all in a few. Okay guys, so I am back, and this is what my hair is looking like, y'all. Hold up. You see me, your girl is a redhead. Oh my god. As you can tell, I did this part first and then this section last. That's why it's kind of like shrunken up over here and elongated on this side. But ooh, I like this. Like, whoever created hair wax, thank you Jesus, because like I said, I wouldn't dye my hair. But this is all the product that I use. I don't know if that's a lot. This is a 6-ounce jar, so maybe I'll be able to get 2 uses out of it. I'm pretty sure I didn't use that much. I was trying to make sure I coat my hair evenly so I won't have any like black patches anywhere. I know everything ain't perfect. I don't know what the back of my hair looks like, and I'm pretty sure you guys will tell me in the comment section down below whether or not, you know, I slipped up somewhere, but oh well, it rinses out. I'll be able to try it again. I know you guys want to see that blue on my hair. I have it right up here. Let me go get it for you guys, 1 second. So you guys, this is the Cool Blue, the same brand, just a different color. I can't wait to try this blue because, baby girl, it's gonna be very different. It's gonna be vibrant, just like this. I washed my hands, so it came out. Some people were saying like, you know, it doesn't come out. Girl, that stuff came out. I'm glad I ain't went go, you know, in the middle of the night buy some gloves because I didn't need it. I can't wait to see how this dries. I am gonna wipe around here. I just wanted to make sure I kind of coat my edges so my edges won't be like black, but I'm pretty sure they will have to be black because it's just gonna wipe off either way it go. So yeah, I'm excited. This is what my shirt is looking like. I knew I was gonna mess this shirt up, but I'm just gonna throw it in the washer machine anyway, so everything's gonna be good to go. But yeah, so far so good. My hair, you know, smells decent, especially with the Miche leave-in conditioner, and the way this smells, it just gives me the As I Am smell. I don't know if you know, okay? But yeah, I love this, you guys. Comment down below a red heart if you are rocking with this style. I can't wait till my hair is all dry. I might go ahead and stretch out my hair, you know, so I could be a little, you know, a little elongated or whatever, but we'll see when we get back, and I'll show you guys my final hair, my final thoughts, and let's get it. See you guys in a few minutes. Hey guys, what's up? So I am back and my hair is fully dry. So this is day 2 hair. I've stretched it, I played around with it, I even refreshed it with this Alley K Naturals lemongrass leave-in conditioner. This stuff smells amazing, and I've had it for a minute because this bad boy, it lasts a long time, and a little bit goes a long way. So you don't need to drench your hair, just spritz it a little bit where it's dry, and then there you go, you fresh your curls right there. But as far as this color goes, this hot red color, like I said before, I didn't use that much. It is a 6-ounce container, so I feel like I'll be able to get 2 uses out of it total. Now, I was talking about the transfer earlier, but baby, it does transfer. Every time you freaking touch your hands, it is going to transfer. Like, not every time you touch your hands, every time you touch your hair, it is going to transfer. Like, even just doing this, fluffing it, checking out your coils. Look at this, my hair is popping. Y'all, your hand is gonna get more red each time. Like, and it was hard to get around the edges because I wanted, you know, I wanted my edges to be red, but you know, my hair just covers it anyway. Overall, I love this red color on me. I'm pretty sure some people on Instagram thought I really dyed my hair, but no, it's just this. Sorry y'all, I had to, you know, prank y'all for a little bit. Had to keep the suspense going for a little bit, but if I were to dye my hair, I wouldn't mind getting this color. Like, it really fits me. Like, I'm just so shocked, and everything applied so smoothly. It is a little messy. I got a little bit on my carpet, but hopefully it washes away as I scrub it a lot. This is most definitely worth the try, especially if you're bored with your hair but you don't want to chemically treat it. Why not? Like, I also have this blue color. If you guys want me to try this and make a video on it, I can. Just comment that down below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I have updates on this hair color. I might be washing it out soon because if you guys didn't know, I am in the Army. So I'm in the Army and I'm in the ROTC program at Southern University. So I do have PT in the morning and I do wear my uniform once a week. So I don't know if this is gonna fly, you feel me? But yeah, I've had fun with it, especially for Valentine's Day. This was very different. I popped out on Instagram with it and people were like, oh my god, I love the color. So thank you guys for all the compliments. I really appreciate it, and this is a fun thing to try. Like, if you guys have any more hair wax that you guys would like to see me feature on this channel, I can do that. If you guys want to see a certain color from this brand or from a different brand, just comment that down below and I will look into it and get that video to you guys. So, well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. I post once a week and you don't want to miss out. See you guys in the next video. Bye.